Jasper and the Digital Dialogue Dilemma. In a sleek, minimalist home office, Jasper, a freelance editor, hunched over his glowing laptop. His coffee was hot, his Wi-Fi was strong, but 3 tiny, persistent problems made his keyboard clicks a little too loud. The first problem was Rory. A fast-talking, twin-bodied creature of personal connection. Rory loved to swap the possessive your with the contracted your. Is this your best work? Or you're coming to the meeting? It's always a 50-50 guess. She'd chirp. Jasper sighed, rubbing his temples. Remember, Rory, if you can replace it with you are, then you must use the apostrophe. You're correct. Otherwise, it's all about possession. That is your sandwich. Easy, right? The second persistent headache was Barnaby, a grumpy, 3-headed mass of location, ownership, and contraction. He was constantly messing with there, and they're in the comment section of Jasper's drafts. Listen up, Barnaby, Jasper typed firmly. T-H-E-R-E has the word here in it. It's about a place. T-H-E-I-R shows possession. It's their silly mistake. And T-H-E-Y-R-E is short for they are. The apostrophe is on the payroll. But the trickiest operator was Tiny Pip. The stealthy apostrophe thief. Pip's joy was snatching the comma from the contraction its, leaving behind the lonely and often misused possessive its. Jasper knew this rule by heart. If you can swap it for it is or it has, then you must include the apostrophe. It's a perfect day if it's a possessive pronoun, like the algorithm showed its results. Leave the apostrophe alone. Pip is the ultimate trickster. Rory, Barnaby, and Pip weren't trying to ruin his career. They were just tiny manifestations of the modern writer's eternal struggle, ensuring clarity in the digital noise, one click-clack at a time. With a final, satisfying ping, Jasper hit send on the clean, error-free manuscript. Not a single your where a your should be. Not a misplaced its. Barnaby's location sense was finally perfect. The job was done. And that is the secret of Jasper the editor. Even in a world of quick-fire tweets and hurried emails, a little mental focus can keep the grammar gremlins at bay, ensuring your message is clear and you're always understood.